when you're drawing in Procreate, there is all these buttons here, but none of them seems to give you option to basically reduce the opacity for the layers. Basically, you cannot do this by using any of these tools, unfortunately. This feature is kind of more hidden. Now, before you change the opacity on any layer, I would strongly suggest to duplicate the layer. That way you can have the original layer. And that's just in case if you want to come back to original opacity settings, even after you close the app. So for you to reduce the opacity on any layer, click the layers button. Now select the layer, which one you want to reduce the opacity of. For example, let's say this wing. And then use the two fingers together and click that layer. And then just slide your finger to the left or the right of the screen on top. And as you could see, the left wing of the airplane is reducing or basically increasing opacity, just like that. And if you're done, you can click any button or click the highlighted tool button on the top. And this is how you reduce or increase opacity in any layer in Procreate.